I'm pissed off now.
Hello everyone, it's me Muskan Islam. I hope all of you are doing really well. So today I came with another video which will be so interesting, so I hope you guys will bear with me till the end of the vlog. And today I'm going at a beautiful place which is Richmond, so I hope you guys will enjoy, and our train journey will be 1 hour. So before that I'm taking something to eat at the train so that I don't get bored. Here I came at bubble tea shop to take bubble tea. Here's my sister, she's taking now her tea as well. Don't worry, I'm giving treat to her. So they taken brown sugar and I have taken brown sugar latte because I was craving for coffee as well. And here's me with a bad hairstyle. I'm gonna change now. Now that's look better. So we just got up into our train and let's see how our journey will goes out. And I wanted to go to Richmond before, but I couldn't able to manage the time and situation. And finally today I'm going there. So yep, I was really excited for that, and trust me guys, you will love that place. The train journey was a little bit longer, which is kind of boring, but that's okay. So yep, I was drinking bubble tea and passing my time. Wait bro, why are you looking at me like that? Just go away, shoo shoo. Always he takes clip like that and makes fun with me, which is a little bit annoying because he is crazy. And here I just got out from the train, and here I just arrived at the Richmond. And guys, the journey went well because we made lots of fun together. So yep, I need to go out now. So let's go. And this is the Richmond station. Oh whoa, just look at these flowers. These are really pretty. I just wanted to take pictures in front of that. So I was standing there. So now let's explore together Richmond City. And here I am. By the way, there is a tune in my mind is tuning, which is and now I'm gonna quickly pop into Flying Tiger shop because I like this kind of shop because they have lots of things to decor at home. So yep, I was exploring things from here. These shops are really cute. That mini tree pots are really cute as well. And that was a wooden box where you can keep many things. And here's a cute mirror, which was cute. And here's a mini diffuser, which was really nice. And I will purchase that later. And I don't want to shop now because I have to explore many places. That's why I don't want to carry any stuffs with me. I will come later on here. And here I was making fun with him because he was telling me he's getting annoyed by me. Claps for me. I just won the Oscar. I was feeling like it is really real. No. And guys, I was living like my dreamy fake moment. Anyways, after doing lots of fun and lots of drama, we finally got out from the shop. And yep, and now let's explore the city and the places. And now we're trying to find that place where are boats and river. That was another way. And this place is also so nice. I have taken lots of videos and pictures here because of that lighting. Actually, it's a salon. That is a really nice salon, but really good for taking pictures as well. If you guys come here, should take pictures here as well. And finally we just found a way to go there. And that place was really nice to take pictures and videos. Everywhere in Richmond you will find a place where you can take lots of pictures and videos. Here we just seen a fountain, which was really nice. And here's the final way out for the riverside. I think you guys can already see that. Oh my god, just look at the view. That place is really nice. You guys should definitely come here. As you guys can see, there is lots of boats there. Also, there is a boat restaurant, which is really cute. So now let's explore together. And I was sitting there and feeling the vibes here. And guys, that place is really mesmerizing. Here I was taking picture for my sister and she was posing. Ouch, that bird was scaring me. Trust me guys, I really got scared from that bird. And guys, in UK, pigeons are so annoying and scary. I was really feeling so refreshed here guys. And that was a really nice coffee shop. By the way guys, you can do boating here as well. There is lots of boats here which you can ride. Honestly, I really in love with that place. And I was enjoying a lot there. And guys, I just cannot explain you how refreshing I was feeling that time. I will definitely come here again. So guys, it's the time to say goodbye to Richmond. And I hope you guys enjoyed visiting Richmond with me. And now I'm going to Green Street for eating my favorite things. So I came at a Bengali restaurant. I always came at that shop for eating fuchka. We have ordered fuchka, halim and jhalmuri. That was really tasty. I just can't explain how I love these things so much. And now it's the time for trying this out. I tried that so I know it's really tasty. And yep. So guys, this is it for today. I hope you guys liked my vlog. Guys, don't forget to like, comment and share and subscribe my channel. So see you in another vlog. Till then, bye bye.